In a big setback for Supertech, the Supreme Court has ordered demolition of the 40-story twin towers in the real estate company's Emerald Court project in Noida within 3 months. Observing an illegal collusion between the Noida Authority and the real estate developer, the court has ordered repayment of all money taken from home buyers with 12% interest. The court dismissed an appeal filed by Supertech against a 2014 order of the Allahabad High Court which had called for demolition of the illegal construction. The two-judge bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah noted that while the protection of environment and well-being of residents needs to be balanced with the need for housing, illegal constructions need to be dealt with strictly. Supertech will have to pay for demolition of the illegally constructed towers and will have to pay rupees 2 crores to the Supertech Emerald Court Resident Welfare Association. The court held that consent of individual flat owners was required under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act to construct the twin towers, which had reduced the common area available for residents of pre-existing flats. The Apex Court accepted the finding of the High Court that the sanction given to the project by the Noida Authority in 2009 was illegal as it violated fire safety norms, the National Building Code and the minimum distance requirement between individual buildings. The two towers to be demolished, Apex and Cyan, have a total of 915 apartments and 21 shops, out of which 633 flats were booked by home buyers. Commenting on the plight of home buyers, the court had observed that their quality of life was affected the most, yet confronted with the economic might of developers and the might of the legal authority wielded by planning bodies, the few who had raised their voices had pursued a long and expensive battle for rights with little certainty of outcomes. The residents of the Supertech Emerald Court had moved the Allahabad High Court challenging the construction of the two new towers, saying that they were not a part of the initial plans shown to the home buyers. The court had observed that the sanctioned plans were not even disclosed to the RWA, and even when a notice was issued, the minimum distance requirements were being flouted and no action was taken. However, Supertech had defended the construction of the twin towers and had claimed no illegality, claiming that the Emerald Court Owner Resident Welfare Association, which had filed the case before the High Court, was not even in existence when the plan was sanctioned and the construction had begun. The builder submitted that out of the 633 people booking the flats initially, 133 had moved out to other projects, 248 had taken refunds and 252 home buyers still had bookings with the company in the project. The Home Buyers Association, on the other hand, had claimed that the huge twin towers constructed by the builder were not present in the original plans shown to them at the time of booking, and it had blocked their view, fresh air and sunlight. It remains to be seen how early the home buyers will be able to recover the money from the developer, or whether this also is going to be plagued by various administrative delays.